And our mentor is by profession, he's a CA, and he's serving international industry since 20 years by Kamakshi Craftex. He is the one who brought BNI to Jaipur and successfully making it more larger than the picture with 16 chapters and 850 members in it. He's the one who makes people stick on the chair while he is speaking. And he believes thoroughly that people are the only asset to create your business more larger. So I welcome and my personal favorite mentor, Mr. Akshay Goyal.
All right, so good morning,
you,
everyone. And thank you so much, Ankita, for a lovely introduction. But then I always love, whenever Ankita reaches out, there is never a no. So thank you for making me part of this event. Thank you, Deepak ji. Thank you, Viranj. And it's lovely interacting with always when the youth is there. So when you go through yourself that journey, and then eventually you get a privilege and opportunity to address such set of people. It's always very, very great. So Ankita, if you could just put on the PPTs, but then I have a bad habit that I am able to address only those set of people whom I can see. Okay, so if you could just switch on the cameras, I think guys, I will be actually able to see you much better. I will be able to communicate with you. I will be able to seek your inputs on various things. So I want each one of you to open up your cameras. Will not take more than 30 minutes, but I am, and I'm the that I don't belong to any of the events in the wedding industry, but what I will talk about probably will make sense for you to include. I see a few of the faces out here from BNI. Atish is there. Atish, hi, very good afternoon.
Mammy. Good afternoon, Akshay. How are you?
Yeah, all well. All well. Good to see you guys there. So please put on mute. I have just asked you to open up your cameras. Yeah, and let's start with that. So hello and welcome everyone. Ankita, you will. I will just ask you to make the next, and then you will keep on switching the slides. So, okay, let's have a picture on the next slide. Okay, I want Shashikant to read the lines. Shashi, can you unmute yourself? Shashikant.
Hi, sir.
Yeah, hi, Shashi. Are you able to see what is there on the screen?
Yes, sir.
Can you please read out for us?
First thing is hang out with 5 billionaires. You will become the 6th. Okay. Hang out with 5 leaders. You will become the 6th. Hang out with 5 lazy people. You will become the 6th. Hang out with 5 lions. You will become the 6th. If you hang out with successful people, they will brainwash you into believing in yourself and thinking you can achieve anything.
Okay, so what do you understand by this? Let me go to Saloni. Saloni, what do you understand by this?
Sir, I understand that you should hang out with people who motivate you to do something that you want to do and motivate you to that you can do it.
Wonderful. Thank you, Saloni. So you have to choose the right set of people now that probably you are pursuing your career, your studies, or you might have completed it, but then your company does matter. So if you hang around with the right set of people, believe me, your attitude, mindset, and everything will change. Let's move on to the next slide. There is a picture on your screen. Now I want each one of you to please write, what do you understand by this picture? What comes to your mind on the chat box? And a couple of you I can take also. You can open up your microphones and tell me. Okay, put on your chat box or the microphones, whatever. What thought comes to your mind when you see this picture? Come on, guys. Anyone quickly. There is nothing right or wrong. There is nothing right or wrong. It's all about what we understand out of these pictures. Yes, very good.
So it's a Rubik's Cube, and it's showing that if you know the correct strategy, if you know the correct steps, you will be able to solve this properly. Otherwise, if you are trying to solve it on your own and you're not aware of the steps, so it would be a great complex for you. You would want, like, you won't be able to solve it quickly.
Wonderful, wonderful. So there is a Rubik cube which is complex. It's not easy, but then yes, you can frame it out. Okay, anyone has a different perspective? Convert yourself from confused to clear. Wonderful. That's a very interesting perspective as well. Wonderful. Anyone more sharing?
Arrangement
Okay.
arrangement of a messy cubic, or we can say management.
Management. Okay. Pramila says clarity. Okay, with the correct strategy, you can clear every kind of problem. Wonderful. So you should applaud for yourself. Everyone has a different perspective. The same picture. Let's move on to the next slide to understand much better in the context of the industry in which you are in. Okay, but please put on your mute. Ankita, next slide. Okay, where Mukul gone? Mukul, what is there on the left-hand side?
Sir, it's a meme of a little girl who says, who I think has a doubt, and she asks, when people ask, how's the wedding planning going?
And her expressions are like, I don't know whether I'm right or wrong, yes or no, right?
Yeah, right. Absolutely.
The picture on the right-hand side, that moment when the best man, the man of the day, realizes he forgot the ring. Yes?
Yeah.
And the picture in the middle is say that if I am crying at our wedding, it is only because I will be overjoyed that the planning of our wedding is finally over. It's period, right? And ladies and gentlemen, this is where the opportunity lies for people in this room, because the customer is largely facing through these issues. They are puzzled, they're confused, they don't know, they are unsure what they are doing is right or wrong. They're lost, they're unclear. You have to identify the pain points, and that's where our business opportunity starts. Okay, next one. Next. So what seems so easy is not that easy. Okay, it's pretty complex, right? So arranging the vendors, venue, and everything. What a customer feels ki bahut easy hai, it's not easy. Now, how do we show them ki boss, this is a complex set of arrangements which needs to be done, coordinated and well delivered, and this is what our role is. How we create this arrangement, how we create this magic is all lies with you. And that's where your brand value comes, and that's how your business comes. Ye customer ko aapko dikhana padega. Then only you will be able to get what you want. Am I okay? So far, you are understanding what I'm trying to say? You can raise your left hand. Okay, good. Let's go next. So the problem here today is I'm not going into the details as to what you have been studying. Your institute is fully geared to educate you on what an event planner or a wedding planner should do. The problem here is how to find new leads, how to convert the leads which you get into the business, how to exponentially grow your business 3x or 5x, how to tackle the problems which are coming into this world in terms of COVID or any other challenges which are coming, and what is the solution to it. So what I will be covering another 20-25 minutes is all about this. And if you are ready to go along with me, please put yes on the chat bar. Okay. Let's move on to next. Everything starts with mindset. Everything starts with mindset. And when Ankita was, cruising along during the pre-networking session as to what is the age group, it's largely 20 to 30. Okay, the mindset is very, very important. So you have to honestly assess yourself whether you have a fixed mindset or you have a growth mindset. You can take a picture of this, but honestly, when after this session towards the weekend, analyze yourself. Are you ready to embrace the challenge, or you want to avoid the challenge? Okay, so challenge is one thing. You want to embrace the challenge. Yes, the challenge is there and I want to come out of it, or to avoid it. Then second is the obstacles which come. Okay, so I am persistent. I will be facing the setbacks, but then I am persistent. I want to continue. or I gave up easily. छोड़ो, ये ऑब्स्टेकल आया इसको छोड़ो, ये ऑब्स्टेकल आया इसको छोड़ो. No, the efforts which you are doing today, you are seeing it as a path to mastery. और थोड़ा सा काम किया, फेलियर हुआ, you stop putting the efforts. So efforts is where you have to analyze yourself. Criticism, obviously काम जो करता है, that those are the people जिनको criticism मिलता है, right? And if you take this criticism as a positive feedback, okay, then only you will grow. Okay, the questions we will please park it for later. Sumit Kaushik will take it later. Criticisms, if any comes, take them as an opportunity, as a learning platform for yourself. Or you ignore, no, मैंने जो किया वो सब कुछ सही है, and you start ignoring those feedback, then obviously what happens is customers start going away from you. Other success, you find inspiration into the other success. If few people in your industry are doing successful, how are they doing it? Yeah, what differently they do, which we are not doing, we have to learn from them. We have to get inspired with them. There are a lot of world-renowned events and weddings which happen across the globe, also in India. Try and go to their videos, try and go and find out the data as to what they have done. To go to the best wedding planners and the event planners, what do they do? Try and learn from them. There is a lot of learning which comes through that. Or you feel threatened by other success, वो तो बहुत बड़ा है. No, they all have gone through that same path. उसी रास्ते से वो लोग गए हैं. There is no shortcut, but you have to go through that journey. पढ़ना पड़ेगा. Okay, and finally the result. The results are very, very important, but then the journey is also very important. So are you into growth mindset or a fixed mindset? That is very important. Let's go next. Okay, this is another very important thing. Dream big with a narrow focus. Okay, सोचना कम नहीं है, विजन छोटा नहीं होना चाहिए, ड्रीम छोटा नहीं होना चाहिए. Focus is very important. Okay, so what we mean to say that we should try avoid being jack of all and master of none. Okay, focus is very important. और focus कैसे आएगा? I will explain you into the next slides. Next. फोकस कैसे आएगा? अब आप ये मेरे को बोलोगे विजन बड़ा है सर, बट फोकस कैसे होगा? फोकस के लिए हमको मेहनत करनी पड़ेगी. यू माइट हैव टेकन द मेंबरशिप ऑफ जिम. कितने लोगों ने जिम की मेंबरशिप ले रखी है? कितने लोग जाते हैं एक्चुअली? जिम की मेंबरशिप ले ली है और जिम में नहीं जाते हैं तो फिटनेस नहीं आएगी. सो व्हाट वी नीड टू डू इज, इफ वी आर बिकमिंग अ पार्ट ऑफ इट, वी रियली नीड टू do some exercise, and first one is market segmentation. See, due to constraint of time, I will not be able to go much detail into it, but market segmentation बहुत important है. आप किस market में operate कर रहे हो, किस geography में operate कर रहे हो, what set of culture is there, what set of people are there, you need to understand those people. पहले हमको थोड़ा research करना पड़ता है, what geography is there. So geography is about country or city or the things are on your screen. The language which people bear, you know. अगर आप किसी मारवाड़ी के पास जा रहे हो and you find that they are traditional business people, can we talk few words in Marwari? You know, that relates the context. Those are few small touching points which I am telling you. Demographics, किस age के पास जा रहे हो, किस gender के पास जा रहे हो, do some working on that. Every client is not the same. आपका communication जो होगा वो हर क्लाइंट के साथ कस्टमाइज होगा, डिफरेंट होगा. आप उनकी वेबसाइट पढ़ के जाओ. इफ यू फाइंड देयर फेसबुक पेजेस, गेट सम इंफॉर्मेशन, गो प्रिपेयर्ड बिफोर यू डू दैट. साइकोग्राफिक्स, किस लाइफस्टाइल के आदमी के पास आप जा रहे हो? ही इज अ फ्लैम्बॉयंट गाय, या वो आदमी पैसा बहुत है बट दे कम फ्रॉम अ ट्रेडिशनल फैमिली, वेरी रिजर्व, दे ऑपरेट इनटू अ सर्टेन जोन, और आप उनको कुछ और बताओगे, that connect will not be there. So psychography of a client is very, very important. And fourth important thing is the behavioral aspect. उनका purchasing capacity किस तरीके का है, किस type का occasion है, and all that. So market segmentation बहुत important है to determine कि किस पे हमको focus करना है. Next.